You know, seeing is believing, and here is a bunch of pipe that the guys brought in. This was about a week's worth of work. Every time we do a job anymore, we're pulling out a system that's failed. Now, this is the Home Depot pipe. You know, I'm not going to mention any names, but if you know your pipe, you know what it is. So I always talk about how animals, you know, chew holes in the recycled pipes, and we can't figure it out. I know it's made out of recycled restaurant containers, food containers, but it might even be the additives that they have to add to it so that it has additional strength. So we got a bunch of pipe here that, you know, animals have chewed on, and you can see a lot of this pipe has collapsed and failed. This is more than one run, obviously. When the guys, you know, you can see where animals chewed holes in this pipe, and the guys, and I appreciate what they're doing, they saved everything from this past week. And they just, before they put it in the dumpster, they just told me, hey, got a pile in the yard, you know, show people how animals chew on this pipe from Home Depot, and show them all the collapsed pipe. And you can see that a large part of these systems that they tore out, you know, this stuff's just collapsed. So again, boy, look at this. So you got the animals chewing on this recycled pipe. They really like it. I don't know all the details to that. Again, all I can do is make assumptions. So we have great luck with the virgin material. So just another visual. You guys love the visuals. But here's the graveyard from this past week. All right, guys, until next time.
If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until that next video,